A Nigerian lady came out publicly to apologize to Ghanaians for speaking bad about Ghana, guys. But before we watch the clip, I would love to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do all to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's get right into it.
Guys, please, I'm coming to apologize again. Ghanaians, my fathers, my mothers, please, you should forgive me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean what I said. I just did it for fun, but I never know it will come out like this. Please, people, I don't mean anyhow. People should forgive and forget. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry once again. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
My people, everywhere good. So, this Nigerian old cargo, this Nigerian bolapet, who insulted the whole Ghana, who insulted the entire Ghanaians, claiming in the whole Africa, Ghana or Ghanaians are the one having high body odor and also mouth odor. Ladies and gentlemen, as the video got to the next president, my decks, and now came out with a video, strong one. Ladies and gentlemen, dear, all the Ghana youths were ready with their 500. In case they meet her, they will dash her clean 500. Ladies and gentlemen, the lady has come out publicly to apologize to Ghanaians that she insulted us. She insulted us just for fun. Because in their country, they are uncultured. They are mannerless. So they insult people just for fun. So she was here representing Nigerian, doing the same thing they does in that Bola country, in this country, Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, they say when something happened for the first time, the white call it a mistake. When that thing happens again, it is called coincidence. When that thing happens for the third time, meaning again and again and again, my brother, my sister, check them well. God hand there inside. The reason for this is that maybe this is her first video insulting Ghanaians. So I will urge all Ghanaians to hold their 500 in their pockets. Aww. They should hold their 500 in their pocket for now. But when it happens again, we are watching. That is the main reason why the Nash Task Force and the Nash President, we are on this media. So we are monitoring and we are checking and we are balancing in case of scarcity. She again does this buffoonery attitude there. Again, then remove that 500 from your pocket and use it. So please, fellow Ghanaians, so far as this lady has apologized to us, let us accept in good faith. Let us accept in good faith. And I believe you will listen to your president. Ladies and gentlemen, let us not mind this bolabed element who is just like chamber pots who do her mouth like adult chamber pots. Let us not mind her. She's on culture. Yes. Anyway, my name is the Nyash President, and I continue to be your #1 Nyash President all over the world. Steve! Power to the Nyash. Why them? Get out with that your chamber pot mouth. Idiots.
So guys, for those of you that have not seen the video of exactly what she did that made her to come out and apologize to Ghanaians, I have the clip here with me. Let's take a look at it. And of course, you know Ghanaians, yes, the word from their mouth made her to come out and apologize to the whole of Ghana. Yeah, a lot of Ghanaians came out to talk, and I believe they put sense into her dumb skull head. That's what made her to come out and apologize. Okay, so if you are in Ghana, you should be rest assured that you would change. Yeah, if you think you are stubborn, once you step your foot into Ghana, you have to calm down. Yes, if you be giddy, 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 they do things anyhow. Whenever you're in Ghana, you have to calm down. Yes, Ghana is just like Nigerians' medicine. Yeah, you cannot carry your rules like what you do in Nigeria and bring down here to Ghana or any other country, and you think you can do it. You think you can do those shit, that rubbish in the US or UK. Can you do it? Now only Ghana when I see finish, Abi. Okay, I thank God that Ghanaians now have realized and they are now ready for you. They are on their feet, ready for you. When you carry your wahala come, they will bring you down. Guys, let's take a look at the video.
See, if you know I'm lying, say lies. In Africa country, people wey get body order, mouth order pass. Nothing if you tell me. Na Ghanaians. I don't get mouth order and body order pass. If you think I'm lying.
Hey, shut that your 30th tier Olosho Toto over here. I said, shut that your fucking tier Olosho Toto over here. Look at this Nigerian Olosho tier Toto. Look at this Nigerian old cargo. What are you? Who are you? Look at this Nigerian bolaped element. Who all these West Africans men have used her Toto as World Trade Center. This eats. This lunatic. This bolaped gong have the effrontery, have the temerity to tell us that all the African countries, now Ghanaians, now we get body odor. Look at this one. Look at this one now. When human beings are talking with this polar bed, also open his mouth and talk. When human beings are causing even Ghanaians with these eats. Go, eats. Have the effrontery to say Ghanaians, now we get body odor pass. Look at this. Look at this one. We do Olosho till now in body count plus 1 million plus they go. Even those we have not this get now, but plus 1,000 they go. This one now, get the infantry, get the momentum to tell us that people where they smell, people where they get bad odor in the whole Africa, na Ghanaians. And this one, go. He there Ghana, where they speak this nonsense to we Ghanaians. Things where Ghanaians, when they dey Nigeria, not the fee talk, not the fee do. When they come to this country, now that thing they do for this country. Now that thing where these idiots, these bolapet, now this good for nothing Olosho, we get tie toto, get krokro nyash, they talk to we Ghanaians. And I don't blame her. Now Ghana immigration, now you people, we are blame. Because he said, people when they get bad order, now Ghana immigration, you people when you get bad order, and nothing you people fit her. And the lie, now that place she pass now, first to enter, now Ghana immigration, now you usher her in. Now you people usher her into this country for her to get that courage to tell us that people when they get body odor in the whole Africa, na Ghanaians. Honorable Okujato Abrakwa. I know. Say you know they tolerate nonsense. This Nigerian gender, they talk say people when they get body odor for the whole West Africa. Now you where you get them. President, I know if you go there because you are a president and president. I cannot mention your name, but you hear her. Your wife, they hear her. Vice president, you they hear her. You they hear this Nigerian bolabed elements. Speaking nonsense to Ghanaians, you people they hear her. If not be said that me go open my mouth, talk up. A Nigerian commissioner in this country, you hear her. And when any action is taken by any Ghanaian, don't hold me responsible. If you want to train and I have power to train, and I know Ghanaian people, everybody will be ready with their 500. Even at this video, old woman for this country saw the video, everybody have made their 500 ready, unless say she did on all this video. My fans, no share, make this video trend. If this video trend, Ghana immigration 24 hours, pick this useless Olosho who have done Olosho all over this Africa country. And now she know the kind of people where they smell for every country. Who send you? Say, come and stay in this country, Ghana. Ghana, we know they send you. We know they send you. And now, as a Nyash president, people go dey ready for this one. You know, be say, na me instigate anything. Na me won't help a trend. Make Ghana no say, this idiot, this bolaped element, this Olosho, this old cargo have insulted Ghanaians. And what thing Ghanaians go do now is in the bosom of ordinary Ghanaian. Anyway, my name is Nyash President, and I continue to be your number one Nyash President all over the world. Power to the Nyash. One, get out from my face. One.